On these posters behind me, there's a man called Afzal Khan. He's standing as the Labour candidate in the Rusholme constituency on the 4th of July, except you wouldn't know he was Labour because all you see is his big face and his big name, but you don't see Labour. Why? Because he knows that the people around here are bitterly furious with Labour for their support for Israel, the genocide in Gaza. Problem is, if you vote for Afzal Khan, you're voting to put Keir Starmer in Downing Street. Keir Starmer, who's up to his neck in the blood of the children, the women, the men in Gaza. So why would you do that? What's the point in boycotting McDonald's, boycotting Coca-Cola, and then going to vote for this guy who's so ashamed of his party, he has the name of his party in the small print of his banner? We've got a better candidate. Our candidate, Workers' Party candidate, Bilal, who lives around here, was born around here, shares the fortunes or lack of them of the people around here. Fighting candidate who stood for Palestine always and who would never apologize, as Afzal Khan did to the Israel lobby for standing outside a Palestinian store. Can you believe it? That's how low this character is. He apologized to Israel for standing at a Palestinian store, and he has the gall round here to ask for people's votes. He's a disgrace. He's an embarrassment. Vote Bilal, Workers' Party.